So your girl got some packages. I hope y'all ain't see my address, but hold on. Okay, so everything came in this box, clearly. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what came in there. Hair wax stick. I don't know what this brand is talking about, but every time I type in bow hold or like anything for lace, like wigs or whatever, this is the brand that pops up. So let me know in the comments what's to this brand. I get some melting spray for lace wigs. Same brand. I get a little period melted lace. A wig cap, but it was this one. Because as I told y'all, it all came in this box. Bitch, edge brush. Like the little arch thing to cut that lace. Because I needed a new one. Had to say no. A red tail comb with the little, you know, the little new shit that do the parts. Period. I needed this too. And also the little hair wrap melted lace. Okay. Okay. Get the wig cap on because clearly it's a wig, right? I got everything else. I got the wig too, right? Hold on. Stiff wear. Let me put it on though. Hold on, let me show y'all the lace. Clearly I gotta show y'all the lace. Right? Here she is. How she's coming. More than likely gonna be a side part, or you already know, middle part, bust down, period. 28 inches, she real tight. Okay, so TikTok, worst comes to worst, I gotta install my own wig for my birthday. Okay, so what I'm going to do is install one of these wigs, and I think it's gonna be this one because it's giving, okay? But yeah, I gotta do one of them, and I'm not feeling the vibes right now. I'm feeling like a long hair, and my actual birthday wig is 30-inch bust down, you know? So I'm gonna install this one. So I gotta go to the beauty supply. I gotta get some bow hold because I got this. Clearly this is for glueless wigs, or maybe once I get it on my head and it's like the melting spray, like melt that lace, then put that band back on after I get it stuck on my head. So I'm about to go to the beauty supply because I have a cap, I have this, I have the cutting thing, I have scissors, I have my edge brush, I even have my wax stick. But this brand is not giving, I don't think. So what I'm about to do is go to the beauty supply, get some lace glue, which hopefully they got some bow hold. Let's just pray and then come back and install this wig. So yeah, I just got this on because I was trying to figure out, because these bands is big. They need to cut these like 2, 3, 4 inches because it's gotta be tight. It's gotta be tight. And that ain't tight enough. It ain't never like I wanted to. So with that being said, I'm about to go to the beauty supply. And I also have a hot comb. So I have everything I need. Okay, I need lace glue and spray. Got to be spray. Lace glue and got to be spray. It's in a ponytail. Yeah, give y'all some weird content. Look it. Alright, so I'm back from the beauty supply. And I didn't get got to be because I wanted to try something different. I tried got to be before. A mixed spray bottle. Some clips because I can't find mine. And they didn't have bow hold, but they had ghost bond. I don't know what I did with the box, but it did come in the box, and it looks like this. So, in the comments, let me know. Let me find some scissors. Hold on. Let's do it. I'm going to use this to lay this big head. When I melt this lace, not this lace, but, well, this wig cap, where I melt this down, get this baby hot. I guess I'm going to use this wax stick because I ain't get another one. But, yeah, let's try it. dead ass cannot sleep. So I'm gonna show y'all my wig. That's what fucking lace. Oh yeah. Okay. So this is her. Let me turn around. Yes. I like how she came out. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.